Welcome to Benefits Administration Made Simple from Empire Life, where we guide you step by step through adding plan members to your group benefits. You can add members one at a time or many all at once. Either way, it's easy. To add plan members one at a time, click Add Digitally Individual and enter the employee's details you see on the screen. Here are some important things to note while you are on this screen. Ensure that your members meet the following eligibility criteria. The eligibility date is the day that your employee becomes eligible to register for their benefits plan and meets all of the eligibility criteria. The effective date is the date your employee's coverage should start. Once you've added all this information, click Submit and the employee is added to your plan and will receive a registration email. But what if you need to add multiple members in one go? Simply click on this button, where you'll be asked to either download and complete our template file with your employee's information, or you can upload your own form. Just make sure you match all of your fields with the required information, like so. Once you've reviewed your details and clicked Submit, all of the employees you've added will receive an email to register for their group benefits. That's it! With your support and this quick process, your team is all set to enjoy their group benefits and access the Plan Member Portal. Thanks for being such a key part of their benefits experience. If you'd like to see what our registration process looks like from the plan member's perspective, check out these videos. Empire Life Group Benefits. We make it easy, save you time, and provide great customer service.